Hi beauties, so today I'm going to be doing a full face of Laura Mercier, one of my favorite brands. I literally use Laura Mercier products every day because their setting powder is king. Like, especially the deep one is literally my favorite. I just realized I completely forgot to use the glow powder, which is one of my staples, and it was literally in the basket of things that I picked out. But anyways, I did the entire look besides brows and lashes, all Laura Mercier products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how to get Laura Mercier slayed, then just keep watching. So I'm starting with the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I have the shade 6W1 Ganache. So I'm going to use a beauty blender to apply it. Just put in some pumps on here. And I'm just going to start applying this. Whoa, that was a lot. I'm going to start pouncing that into my face. So this one is a little deeper, but I'm going to use concealer to blend it in. This is 5N in the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I actually really like this concealer, so I'm gonna just, gonna apply that under my eye. And then I'm gonna just blend that in. My forehead. I love the finish of this foundation. It's really, really nice. Like, wow. So I'm going to add a little bit down here, just like where I'm going to contour. Because I don't actually have a contour powder from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna just do like reverse contouring, kind of, with the concealer. So I'm gonna carve my brows out real quick. I actually bought this concealer back when it first launched. I went to Nordstrom and I picked it up. I also picked up the Secret Brightening powder in the like regular shade. And not too long after that, I actually got invited to go to Laura Mercier's office, and like her offices. Yeah, like I got invited to go to her office in New York City, which was so cool. Like, I literally saw Laura Mercier's office. I mean, I saw her whole area, but her actual office that she sits in New York. So that was so cool. And the whole team was really, really nice. It was great. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier deep powder to set my face. This is my favorite, one of my favorite powders ever. Like, I always have this in my collection for like forever. Since it came out, I've always had it in my collection. It's just really, really amazing to me. Here. So you guys, I feel like I'm always giving you guys an update on my diet, and I don't know if you guys care about it, but it's really important to me right now because it's just, weight loss is just something I struggle with for the past 4 years. Basically, past 4 years I've been really struggling with the weight loss. Today is 2 weeks and 1 day in to the meal plan, and it's going really, really well. I'm really enjoying this meal plan, and I'm gonna do my brows off camera because I don't have any brow products from Laura Mercier, and I'll be right back. So I did my brows. These are Benefit brows, and next I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. This is the Laura Mercier Hidden Gems eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. There are some beautiful shades in this palette, like wow. They're so pretty. All right, so there's only one matte shade that I can use, which is the black. So I'm gonna go in with the black using this Laura Mercier blending brush. I'm just gonna start packing it on and blending as I go. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. I want it to be more gray than anything. So just basically go back and forth until it blends out. I do have an eyeshadow primer from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna try that. I have this eyeshadow base from Laura Mercier. It's actually blue tinted, so that could be interesting. Let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna add some to my lids. Take a brush and just kind of smooth that out everywhere. I'm gonna use the green shade, which is this one right here. So my meal plan is going really well. I've had some amazing items on my current menu. So like the menu that I'm on right now has plantain on it, and you guys, I love plantain. I was so happy to see plantain on my menu. I was like, wow, this is amazing. Like prior to this, I would never eat plantain if I was trying to diet. I would just stay far away from plantain because for some reason I always associated it with like a lot of calories. But I don't know, like it's on the menu. She put it into the macros and it just amazes me. I'm just really happy about plantains, okay? I'm gonna take the blending brush again and just go back over to blend that out. One of my favorite things from Laura Mercier are these Caviar sticks. I have a ton of colors and I use these so often. Basically, they're super jumbo eye pencils and I use them for eyeliner. This one is in the shade, the color Tuxedo, which is a matte black. I'm going to take some of the black shadow and just go over that lightly. I'm going to add a little bit on my top lash line as well. So I'm just going to blend that with the same brush. My favorite part, I'm going to do the inner corner. So for today, I want to use this. Ooh, this shade is really pretty. But so is this one here, and then so is this one here. So I don't know which one I want to use. I feel like I want to go icy, but then I have a green going on. So I think I'm going to go more like, let's go with champagne first, and then we're going to see what happens. Like, let's start with champagne. Let's see where life takes us. This looks pretty nice, I think. I think this looks pretty good. So I'm going to stay with champagne. So I'm going to throw some lashes on. I don't have any Laura Mercier lashes, but I did order a bunch of lashes on AliExpress, which, where are they? So I have this style here. I ordered 4 of these, and I hope I like them when I put them on, but they were really cheap. While that dries, I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm going to use Grapefruit from Laura Mercier. So this is the color. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite blushes of life. It's just such a pretty color. I'm going to use this little Laura Mercier brush. It's like a powder brush, but I think it works really well for blush. Also, I'm going to just pack that on. Stunning. I love it. They're pretty nice. I was about to apply highlight. Let's get back to that. And I'm going to apply some on my face. That's not ash, you guys. I know I'm always ashy, but this is not ash. This is that eyeshadow primer, okay? Don't come for me. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Secret Brightening Powder under my eye. I'm going to use a flat brush like this one. This one is from Laura Mercier. I'm going to just tap my brush into it. And then I'm just going to just lightly add some under here. I'm going to tell you guys something about this powder. It's not a baking powder, okay? Do not bake your under eyes with this powder. Next, we're going to do lips. I am going to use this Rock Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. I've used this a ton. Mine is like nasty looking because I use it a lot. I'm going to just line my lips. This is similar to the pencil, the eye pencils. Like the size and everything. And then I'm going to take their gloss in Cosmic. This is the Laura Mercier lip glaze. Alright, I'm just going to set my face real quick. What the? That was Too Faced, by the way. I need to do my hair now. I'm gonna take this out. Ooh, child. I need to fix this. I'm gonna fix my edges real quick because they look. And I'm gonna use this. Style Factor thing. I got this at the beauty supply store. It's so cool. Alright, so this is the entire look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments your favorite Laura Mercier product. And if you haven't tried anything from Laura Mercier, what would you like to try? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.